Valentine's. Ayan. Ito yung Sunnybrook. Other side. So, sa baba, ang dami nagtitinda ng mga flowers. Ayan. Valentine's. Valentine's. Magkano po kuya isang rose? 150? Ito sa 250. Maganda. Picturean mo kuya ha?
Yeah.
Lagyan si mama. Isa lang kay mama. Kay mama. Puso na. Puso na lang. Dami. Dami.
The next day.
Hello! Hi everyone! Hello mga sisi! Hello mga kamayr! Welcome to our channel! It's me, Myra. Kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification para ma-update ka sa mga upcoming kong vlog soon. So ngayon, shout out sa lahat ng mga couple out there, mga LDR couple, family, and sa mga single also. Syempre, huwag natin kalimutan yung mga single. Kasi, may karapatan din sila na mag-celebrate ng Happy Valentine's. Kasi may mga mahal sila sa buhay. Kapatid, kaibigan, family. So, of course, gusto ko lang kayong batiin na Happy Valentine's Day sa mga single dyan. Happy Valentine's Day. And sa mga LDR couple dyan, Happy Valentine's Day din sa inyo. Sa inyo, stay strong lang tayo. And right time will come na magkikita-kita. Magkakasama din kayo ng mga loved ones natin sa buhay. At sa mga family, Happy Valentine's Day po. So, Happy Valentine's Day na po sa inyong lahat. So, thank you everyone for watching. And, wala naman ganap. Nagluto lang ako ng spaghetti at nag-cake. Dahil LDR nga ako, yun lang ang ginawa ko. At pinakita ko lang yung picture at handa ako sa boyfriend ko na LDR. O, diba? Ginutom ko lang siya. Pero happy naman siya. Na-appreciate naman niya. O, diba? Ganun dapat, kahit malayo, gumagawa tayo ng effort para sa mahal natin sa buhay. In simple way, napapagnitin natin sila at nararamdaman nila yung pagmamahal natin. So, yung pagbati, yung pag-message ng mga sweet na message na kapag yung sa kanila. Kung wala ka namang handa, okay lang yun. Basta, batiin mo man lang yung mga mahal natin sa buhay. So, batiin ko lang kayong lahat na Happy Valentine's Day at enjoy your day and may God bless you all. So, for now, bye-bye muna at maglilito celebrate ako with my family. Kakain kami. So, thank you everyone for watching! Have a nice day! Hi, Lovey! Good morning! good morning, Lovey. How was your sleep? I know you're surprised. Yes. I just make this video to greet you again because last night I already greet you. But since all the world celebrating a happy Valentine's Day today, so I'm going to greet you again. A happy hearts, a happy love, and a happy Valentine's Day to you and to me. And even we are LDR, it's fine because every day we have chat and we are happy. And I think tomorrow or February 16, we are already 1 year being LDR totally. As in, we don't see each other. Because I remember, last year, I fly back here after the Valentine. So, yeah. I can't believe that we are already 1 year being LDR. And I'm so happy and grateful that may God always give us love and peaceful and guide our relationship. And thank you for loving me the way you do and for everything, for being strong, for being patient, and for everything. So, love you, don't be sad while watching this video. I just wanna make you smile. I just wanna make you smile while listening my little voice, seeing my cuteness. I miss you so much and looking forward to see you soon. And yeah, I love you and I miss you so much. Always look after yourself and take care and just stay positive. Everything will be fine. May this pandemic will end soon and we're gonna be together. And I'm just here waiting for you. And for now, happy Valentine's and I love you and I miss you. Mga kamar, I'm back! So ayan, eto na po yung na-prepare ko for simple Valentine's Day na pig-prepare ko para sa aking labi-labi. So ayan. So ayun lang po yung lunch namin this Valentine's Day with my family. So pinicturean ko lang ito, binidyohan ko, tapos gumawa ko ng video greeting sa boyfriend ko and then yun, pinakita ko sa kanya para naman ngumiti siya at matuwa siya. So kami lang ang kakain. Ano lang, ginutom lang namin siya. So ayan, ang ganda ng cake! So happy Valentine's Day po sa inyong lahat once again. So thank you everyone for watching and see you on my next vlog. Enjoy the day! Bye-bye!